How to get working Everbee promo codes. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get Everbee promo codes.
So to get started, start by checking Everbee's official website. They occasionally run limited time discounts, especially around holidays or during new feature launches. If you don't see anything there, head over to affiliate blogs and YouTube channels that focus on Etsy tools. Many of them have unique referral codes that offer up to 20% off. Another great method is to sign up for Everbee's newsletter. They often send promo codes directly to your inbox, especially when announcing feature updates. Also, check coupon websites like Retail Me Not or Honey. These platforms may list current codes submitted by users. Just make sure the code hasn't expired. Also, if all else fails, try reaching out to Everbee support. If you're a student or a small business, they might offer a custom discount. And that's how to get working Everbee promo codes to maximize your savings.